Hello, I am S.K. Tiwari, Department of BCA, JLN College, Chakradharpur. Today in my lecture notes, we are discussing about the scheduling criteria of an operating system, which comes under BCA semester 3rd. Before we can start the scheduling criteria, just a quick recall about what is a scheduling. Actually, scheduling means a set of policies and mechanisms that build into the operating system that governs the order in which the work is to be completed by the computer system. Scheduling is also the activity of selecting the next request to be serviced by the server. Scheduling determines the quality of service provided to user. Now, what is the objective of scheduling? The main objective of scheduling is to optimize the system performance. Now, scheduling criteria. Suppose if you want to schedule the CPU has to follow some criteria that is called a scheduling criteria. There are many criteria for comparing different scheduling algorithms, that is CPU utilization, number 2 throughput, number 3 turnaround time, number 4 waiting time, number 5 response time. Now let us discuss one by one. First, the CPU utilization. In this, how much time is spent on a particular process is the CPU utilization. In this, CPU is busy as much as possible. In CPU utilization, maximum utilization of CPU is there. Number 2 criteria, throughput. This means the total number of processes completed by the CPU in a unit time is called throughput. Throughput should be as higher as possible. Means more jobs get done. Criteria number 3, that is turnaround time. Means the time between the submission and completion of a process is called turnaround time. The turnaround time should be as less as possible. The turnaround time can be expressed as follows. The turnaround time is the sum of waiting time in a job pool plus waiting time in a ready queue plus execution time plus input output time is the total turnaround time. Fourth criteria, that is waiting time. As the name indicates, waiting the process means the process which is spend a time in a ready queue is a waiting time. Waiting time should be as less as possible. Now the criteria number 5, that is response time. The time between the submission of a process and the first response produced by the process is called a response time. In response time, this is a good criteria for an interactive system. Thank you. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.